Orisha Baba Oro, the Òrìṣà of male ancestral power, justice, and social order. Orisha Oro, the divine force of justice, secrecy, and transition, is the enforcer of cosmic order and the protector of sacred traditions. He is deeply connected to the spirits of the ancestors, the power of the spoken word, and the balance between life and death. His name carries an aura of respect and fear, for he is the voice of divine judgment, the one who ensures that taboos are upheld, and that those who violate sacred laws face their destiny. His presence in the 16 Odu Meji reveals his role as the guardian of oaths, the enforcer of justice, and the one who teaches that discipline and obedience to spiritual law are the foundations of a righteous life. He reflects themes of leadership, accountability, and the importance of respecting ancestral guidance. Ineji Agba Oro manifests as the sacred voice that speaks truth and establishes order in society. He teaches that leadership and tradition must be rooted in divine law, and that those who wield authority must do so with justice. In Oyeku Meji he governs the passage between the seen and unseen worlds, ensuring that the spirits of the dead are properly honored. Here, he reminds us that those who disrespect the ancestors will find no peace, for they are the true keepers of knowledge. Iwari Meji highlights his role as the custodian of sacred rites, revealing that those who are initiated into his mysteries must uphold their vows, for breaking them brings severe consequences. He teaches that sacred knowledge is not for everyone and must be protected. In Odi Meji, Oro governs secrecy and the enforcement of divine law, showing that silence is a powerful weapon. He teaches that not all truths should be spoken aloud, and that wisdom lies in knowing when to speak and when to remain silent. Irison Meji reveals his connection to justice and retribution, showing that he is the force that punishes those who break spiritual or societal laws. Here, he ensures that those who commit wrongdoing cannot escape divine justice. Oenran Meji portrays him as the unseen force that moves through the wind and night, ensuring that balance is maintained. He warns that those who disregard the sacred order will face unexpected punishment. In Obara Meji, Oro appears as the protector of kings and leaders, ensuring that those in positions of power rule with integrity. He teaches that true authority comes from divine alignment, and that corruption leads to downfall. Okunran Meji presents him as the enforcer of social laws, revealing that structure and discipline are necessary for society to function properly. He teaches that chaos is the enemy of progress, and that order must be upheld at all costs. Ogunda Meji highlights his warrior aspect, showing that Oro does not hesitate to act when justice is required. He teaches that battles fought for righteousness are always victorious. In Osa Meji, he governs prophecy and divine warnings, revealing that those who heed the messages of the Orishas will always be protected. He teaches that signs and omens should never be ignored, for they are the voice of destiny. Ika Meji emphasizes his role in spiritual purification, showing that those who seek his guidance must cleanse themselves of deception and dishonesty. He teaches that truth is the foundation of power. Oturupan Meji portrays him as the keeper of ancestral voices, ensuring that the wisdom of the past is not lost. He teaches that honoring one's lineage brings blessings. In Otura Meji, Oro governs the balance between speech and silence, reminding us that words have the power to create and destroy. He teaches that those who speak carelessly invite misfortune. Irate Meji reveals him as the protector of sacred sites and rituals, ensuring that traditional practices are preserved. Oze Meji connects him to initiation rites, showing that those who enter his mysteries must be ready to transform completely, for there is no turning back. Finally, in Ofun Meji, Oro represents the final judgment, where all deeds, good and bad, are accounted for. He teaches that no one escapes the consequences of their actions and that justice, whether immediate or delayed, is always served. Across all 16 Odu Meji, Oro teaches that discipline, respect for tradition, and obedience to spiritual law are the pillars of a balanced life. His lesson is clear. Those who honor the sacred laws, respect the ancestors, and walk in truth will be protected, while those who defy divine order will face the full force of cosmic justice. Odu Agbe Meji, the guardian of leadership and new beginnings. In Odu Agbe Meji, Baba Oro embodies the ancestral wisdom required to lead effectively. Myths recount Baba Oro guiding a young ruler to establish just governance by following the traditions of his forebears. This Odu teaches that leadership requires humility and alignment with ancestral principles. Odu Oyeku Meji, the keeper of ancestral cycles. In Odu Oyeku Meji, Baba Oro ensures the continuity of ancestral cycles, preserving traditions that guide societal structure. Myths describe Baba Oro overseeing rituals that connect the living to their male ancestors, ensuring their blessings. This Odu emphasizes the importance of honoring cycles of birth, death, and rebirth. Odu Iwari Meji, the illuminator of justice. In Odu Iwari Meji, Baba Oro reveals the path to justice and fairness. Myths recount his intervention in a village dispute where his wisdom restored peace by ensuring fair treatment for all. This Odu encourages the querent to seek guidance from ancestral wisdom to resolve conflicts. Odu Odi Meji, the protector of family legacies. In Odu Odi Meji, Baba Oro safeguards the stability and continuity of family legacies. Myths tell of Baba Oro guiding a family to preserve their ancestral lands, ensuring their prosperity for generations. This Odu teaches the importance of stewardship and respect for inherited blessings. Odu Irisan Meji, the bridge to male ancestral power. In Odu Irisan Meji, Baba Oro connects the living to male ancestral spirits, providing strength and protection. Myths describe rituals invoking Baba Oro to secure blessings for a child's future. This Odu emphasizes the role of ancestral guidance in ensuring personal and communal success. Odu Oonran Meji, the source of communal prosperity. In Odu Oonran Meji, Baba Oro channels ancestral energy to foster communal prosperity. Myths recount Baba Oro teaching a village how to manage resources wisely, ensuring their collective welfare. This Odu highlights the importance of communal harmony and shared responsibility. Odu Obara Meji, strength through ancestral support. In Odu Obara Meji, Baba Oro represents the strength derived from ancestral support. Myths tell of Baba Oro empowering a warrior with courage and wisdom during a critical battle, leading to victory. This Odu encourages the querent to draw on the strength of their lineage during challenging times. Odu Okonran Meji, the arbiter of social order. In Odu Okonran Meji, Baba Oro enforces social order and fairness. Myths describe him intervening in a corrupt community, restoring balance by holding leaders accountable. This Odu teaches that ethical leadership and adherence to tradition are essential for societal stability. Odu Ogunda Meji, the clearer of pathways. In Odu Ogunda Meji, Baba Oro works with Ogun to remove obstacles that hinder progress. Myths recount Baba Oro guiding a struggling community to rebuild their infrastructure through collective effort. This Odu emphasizes the role of collaboration and ancestral wisdom in overcoming challenges. Odu Osa Meji, the enforcer of justice. In Odu Osa Meji, Baba Oro ensures that justice is served, particularly in cases of exploitation or dishonesty. Myths describe Baba Oro exposing a deceitful trader and restoring fairness to the marketplace. This Odu highlights the necessity of justice in maintaining harmony. Odu Ika Meji, the revealer of hidden truths. In Odu Ika Meji, Baba Oro uncovers hidden truths to guide the querent toward justice and clarity. Myths tell of Baba Oro revealing a betrayal that threatened a family's unity, allowing them to take corrective action. This Odu emphasizes vigilance and the importance of uncovering deeper realities. Odu Oturupan Meji, the reconciler of conflicts. In Odu Oturupan Meji, Baba Oro mediates disputes and fosters reconciliation. Myths describe Baba Oro bringing together feuding clans by reminding them of their shared ancestry and mutual dependence. This Odu teaches that unity is achieved through understanding and respect for shared values. Odu Otura Meji, the Guide to Legacy Building. In Odu Otura Meji, Baba Oro inspires the Quorant to focus on legacy building and future contributions. Myths recount Baba Oro advising a ruler to establish lasting institutions that benefited generations. This Odu emphasizes the importance of foresight and long-term planning. Odu Ayerte Meji, advocate for ancestral respect. In Odu Ayerte Meji, Baba Oro emphasizes the importance of respecting and honoring ancestors. Myths tell of Baba Oro guiding a community to perform rituals that strengthen their connection to their forebears, resulting in blessings. This Odu teaches that ancestral reverence is key to spiritual and material success. Odu Oze Meji, the harmonizer of traditions. In Odu Oze Meji, Baba Oro harmonizes traditions with contemporary needs, ensuring their relevance and continuity. Myths recount him advising a community on how to adapt ancient rituals to modern challenges without losing their essence. This Odu teaches the Quorant to honor the past while embracing change. Odu Ofun Meji, the eternal guardian of justice. In Odu Ofun Meji, Baba Oro embodies the eternal presence of justice and ancestral power. Myths describe him as the unyielding protector of tradition and cosmic order, ensuring that divine laws are upheld. This Odu encourages the Quorant to align with universal principles of justice and integrity.